What's good, babies? It's your girl Justina, and I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. Now, I hope to God this don't get removed because of what I'm wearing. But you know what? It's Halloween. Happy Halloween, baby. Here, look at my makeup, girl. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little couple hours in, so it's not as good as it was. But I'm looking good, baby. So you already read that title. So this video is how to get your sneaky link obsessed with you, or always coming back for more. Now, I don't know who needs to hear this, but suck his dick from the back. Suck his dick from the back. I don't know who need to hear this. Because yes, that's the first advice I got for you. Suck his dick from the back, girl. Like, he ain't had that done before. He probably won't know what that feel like. I'm serious. How do you suck his dick from the back? Okay, so listen. With y'all boos, okay, men like when women like take charge or aggressive and say what they want and know what they want, right? So, what you gotta do is, I've been pulling these up all day, but so what you gotta do is you gotta tell him what to do with confidence. You gotta be like, get on your knees. And I know you're gonna be like, Justina, you be telling men to get on their knees. Yes, and they do it. They do it with no hesitation every time. Don't matter how many tattoos he got, how muscular he is, that shit don't matter. He gonna get on his knees, right? And then if he says to him like, why you want me on your knees? Just be like, because daddy, I want to please you. Or just straight up be like, cause I want to suck your dick from the back. You don't want to know what that be like? I'm serious. You have to do things that not every girl does. Like, he's gonna remember you. He's gonna remember you. I promise. Always. 24/8. Okay, so that's something sexual. Something non-sexual that you can do to get them chasing after you. This is not a good method. This is not a good method at all. Okay? It's not a healthy method, but it works. It works. Okay, so y'all know what love bombing is? Love bombing is basically when you first start talking to somebody, you give them all your fucking attention. Compliments, texts, like you gotta gas his head up. You gotta gas his head up. Compliments, texts, like love bomb the fuck out of him. And then, pull away and dip. And now this is a very manipulative tactic. I do not suggest this. But if you really get down to it, that's what you gotta do. It works every time. Every time. Okay, next. To make a sneaky link always come back, all right? So, I know you probably be sitting there waiting for them to text you, answering back really quick, really fast. Don't do that. Stop doing that. Take your time to reply. You feel me? Like, be busy. There's nothing wrong with being busy, handling your stuff. And again, shouldn't have to be like this, but that's how it is. Yeah, so don't like text back right away all quick and stuff like that. Like, you don't gotta do none of that. You don't gotta do none of that. Next. Now this one's a sexual one. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth. When I tell you to tie this man up and slut him out, that's exactly what I'm telling you to do. Exactly what I'm telling you to do. Tie this man up and slut him out. Arms and legs. Do whatever you want to him. Within reason. Make sure you ask for permission first. Like, don't just be doing me. But yeah, like, do. Make him crazy over you. Do. Do. That's what you do. Like, next. Don't be his number one priority. Don't let him be your number one priority. Don't. But I'm telling y'all right now, like, the best part, like, and I'm going to keep saying this because this is what worked for me the best, is to slut them the fuck out. Fuck them like no one's ever fucked them before. Like, that really is the key. Like, and I'm not kidding. And then here you go, just say, well, how do I do that? I already told you, suck his dick from the back. Anybody can do that. Anybody can do that. Tie him up. Slut him out. Watch my how to ride videos from the front and the back. Watch them bitches, because they going to tell you all the secrets you need to know to keep him coming back. Like, your sneaky link going to be on your bed cheeks. Seriously, and also don't always be available for them. Every time they hit you up, no matter how much dick you need. No matter how horny you are, it does not matter. If they don't always be available. Be available